Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through doing a foot peel with me. Now, these are my top tips. I'm not an expert, but these are my top tips. So, excuse my face, I am just doing a face mask, and if you've watched my previous video, which was a self-care with me, I've done a dedicated video to doing the foot peel because I do think it's something that not many people know, and it's also not something that is said on the packet. So I am soaking my feet at the moment in this and using Kind Natured's foot milk soak, which is really nice. I buy it off Amazon, so I like it. Now, you don't have to soak your feet before you do it. I would just recommend that you wash and dry them and that there's no product on them. You just want them to be as clean as possible, so there's nothing to be interacting with them. I had a shower a couple of hours ago, and then I did put some foot cream on just because my feet were a bit sore. So that's why I'm soaking them for a bit, because I haven't soaked them in a while either. So I'm soaking them for a bit, and then I would put on the foot socks and I will show you what I do. Now I will take you, this video will be filmed over a course of a week to take you through the different things I do and my top tips, because it is not, as I said, it's not something that's said on the label. It's not something that you will know unless you have done them in the past. So please continue watching and I will show you. I forgot to say what I was using to soak my feet. So I'm using the Kind Natured Nourishing Foot Soak. I really like it. I just shop around to see. I think you can get it in Boots, or you can get it in from Amazon. Sorry, like I came across very American, didn't it? From Amazon. I just see which is the best price. So, and I also, if you've seen some of my skincare videos before, I do use this Kind Natured foot cream, or I alternate between that and the Boots one. Boots do their own version. I just see whichever's cheapest. That's generally what I do. With my self-care, I find I have some favourites, and then I just shop around at the time when I need new stuff to see which is the cheapest. That way I'm always getting the most value of my money, I find. And it's just this face mask costs 99p. Self-care, it doesn't have to be expensive. If you find good products that you like and are 99p, then use them. And I do mean good products. You have to be careful. I buy mine from Superdrug. I trust Superdrug. It's vegan and cruelty free, so that's why I do it. And I do think in the UK that we do have very good safety standards. Sorry, this is going into a bit of a tangent, and I was very, very upset yesterday when I saw that the government is going to, or has, reintroduced testing on animals, which is just absolutely appalling and truly, truly against everything I believe in. It's the reason I went vegetarian. It's the reason I buy all cruelty free. And I very, very rarely, and I do really try to shop around and buy products like fashion items that are vegan as well. I didn't mean for that to be going a bit of a tangent, and that is just my opinion. But it is something that I am very, very passionate about. However said, if you have another opinion, that's fine. We live in a free society where we can say what we believe. So I just wanted to say that. I didn't mean for it to go in such a tangent, so sorry. Anyway, I'm going to start The Good Wife. I've never watched it before. If you have, let me know what you think. I will let you know how I get on. I'm not sure whether I will get past episode 1, but we'll see. I really want to watch Fire Country. Max, I'm sorry if I said this wrong, Theo Ort, this new show, along with Billy Burke and Diane Farr. However, it is not available in the UK yet, so I'm very disappointed, because one thing, I love Billy Burke. He's done some really good things, and I love Diane Farr. If you haven't watched it, she's really good in a show called Numbers, which is about a math professor that helps the FBI solve crimes. And then I do like Max from SEAL Team. That being said, Clay's not my favourite character, but I do think he's a very impressive actor, and from what I've seen of Fire Country, he very well acts it. My thing with Clay, it's more less Clay and more Stella. If you are a SEAL Team fan, you know who I'm talking about. But anyway, this video didn't mean to seem so long, but I like filming like this. This is my first time kind of doing this thing. I'm not normally alone by myself where I can do it. Normally I'm in such a rush just trying to slot in time to film, so it's nice just to have the chance to talk. And normally I have other people with me who don't want to be filmed, so then, which I respect and understand, it's just very difficult for me then. But they're all away at the moment, so it's just me by myself downstairs watching TV, and we got the wood burner going as well. So it's very nice, because if you are and you're in the UK, you'll know. Even though today is May the 7th, it is still cold. I am still someone that is wearing my winter coat, especially in the rain. I walk to work and back, so it is very cold. Anyway, I will let you know how I get on with the face mask. So yeah, day 2. I didn't soak my feet yesterday. There's no need to on the first day. I soaked them today, just for 20 minutes. I mean, you can get away with not soaking them today, but I wanted to get in a good habit, so I soaked them for 20 minutes today. So there's no peeling yet, but I wasn't expecting that. And they feel fine. I did over 7,000 steps on them today, walking to and back from work, so that was good. So I will keep you updated. Hello everybody, today is day 4. I forgot to film yesterday, but I soaked them. Sorry, my face is just looking a little red. I just had my face waxed and threaded today and my eyebrows down. So I thought I'd show you. I have had some peeling. So just be warned if this is not something you'd like to see. But you can see there, it is starting to peel. More on this foot than the other foot, I'll just show you. But I am starting to see some peeling. So I'm quite pleased with that. So I'm just going to soak them for a few minutes and then watch the West Wing and read my book. It's a bit late. Normally I'd be in bed by now, but I had something I had to do tonight, so didn't want to not soak my feet. So because I'm going on holiday in a week Saturday, so today's Thursday, so a week Saturday, so I'm very excited, but I just want to be ready, and I'm feeling a bit all over the place at the moment, and I hate it so much. So I will keep you updated on day 5. Okay. Hello everybody. So today is day 5, and I thought I'd show you the results so far. So I'm just gonna soak them now in a second, but just bear with me. I thought I would show you the peeling, so you can see there in the mirror. I thought this would give you the best shot. You can see how my foot has started to peel, which is good, and that's why I always, like, now I'm wearing socks where I can just throw them in the bin, just because otherwise your skin just gets left in the So I'm going to soak them now, and then that just helps any of the last kind of loose bits fall off. I'm not sure whether I would continue soaking them next week, but at the moment I'm going to do it probably till Monday and go from there. But I will keep you updated. Oh, and for reference, today is Friday. Oh, sorry. Thought I'd show you the other foot as well. You can just see the difference between them, but they're still both peeling. Hello everybody. So today is a week since I did the foot peel. I'm going to soak them again. I soaked them last night. I probably soak them today, Sunday. Probably soak them Monday and Tuesday as well. Okay. So I'm just going to show you a close-up of what my feet look like now. So if you don't like peeling skin, then don't look at the next following video and back at the next clip. Hello everybody. So today is day 8 after doing the foot peel. Today's the final update. I'm not going to show you anything more because it's pretty much finished. I soaked them every day from day 2 to day 7, and it's done it very nicely now. It's not going to have any more real skin come off, so I thought I'd just show you the last update. So you can see there I'll just take this out there. You see there, you can see where it's just the last few bits are starting to peel. Mainly the big bits have done. So yeah, that's the final update. I'm not going to soak them anymore now before my holiday. That's it. So, plus today I got really bad period pain, so I'm going to go straight to bed instead of soaking them because I can barely stand. So I will leave it here. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them below. And please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And press the like button. And I will see you soon. Bye for now.